Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to transform this plain wall into a stunning grass view mural. It's a fun and creative project that you can easily do at home. Let's get started. Here are the materials you will need it for this project. Paint green, brown, blue or white, paint brushes in various sizes, painter's tape, palette, color container, drop cloths, pencil and paper towel. Before we begin, make sure the wall is clean and dry. Cover the floor with a drop cloth to protect it from any accidental paint or spills. If needed, use painter's tape to define the edges of your mural. Sketching the landscape. Using a pencil, lightly sketch the landscape on the wall. Consider the horizon line, rolling hills, and any elements you want to include in your grass view. This step is just guide, so feel free to get creative. Now let's mix our paint colors. Combine various shades of green and brown for the grass, blue for the sky and white for clouds. Create a palette of clouds that represents the natural beauty for a grassy landscape. Start by painting the sky. Use broad strokes to cover the upper part of the wall with blue paint. Feel free to blend in different shades to create a realistic sky. Next, let's work on the hills and grass. Use different shades of green and brown to add depth and texture to the landscape. Experiment with brush strokes to mimic the natural flow of grass and details like flower, rocks, and any additional elements. And there you have it, a beautiful grass view mural that brings the outdoors inside. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more dye projects, and share your creation for with us. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Thank you.